My name is Alia Izni binti Zulkifli and my student ID is 2023201902. I will be present on question 2 and question 5.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aifah Natasha binti Syarul Zaman. My student ID is 2023685016. I will be present on question 3 and question 4.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Mazan Hasib bin Safwan. My student ID is 2023820742 and I will present question 1. Okay, now I will answer the question 1. Azlan bought a house for 200,000 ringgit. He paid a down payment of 20% and took a loan that charged 6.5% interest compounded monthly to finance the balance. The loan is to be repaid over 20 years by monthly installment. Calculate the monthly payment. Number 2. Find the total interest charged for the loan. Number 3. If Azlan missed the first 4 monthly payments, how much should he pay on the 5th installment to keep his payments up to date? For the question number 4, if Azlan wants to settle the loan immediately after the 200 payment through a single payment, find this single payment. K equals to 0.065, M equals to 12, T equals to 20, CP equals to 200,000 ringgit. We will use the formula A equals to C minus DP to find A. 200,000 ringgit minus 0.2 times 200,000 and A will be 160,000 ringgit. And then we will use the formula A equals to R to the bracket 1 minus to the bracket 1 plus K over M power of MT divide by K over M. 160,000 ringgit equals to R times 1 minus to the bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 12 and the power of negative 12 times 20 divide 0.05 over 12 and the answer will be 1,192 ringgit 92 cent. Thank you. So that's all for the question 1. N equals to 240, R equals to 1,192 and 92 cent. A equals to 160,000 ringgit. We will use the formula I equals to NR minus A. 240 times 1,192 cent times 160,000 ringgit. And the total interest charge for the loan is 126,300 ringgit and 80 cent. So that's all for Roman 2. This question we will use S equals to R times 1 plus K over M and power of N minus 1 divide K over M. 1,192 and 92 cent times 1 plus 0.065 over 12 and the power of 5 minus 1 divide 0.065 over 12 and Azlan, and the answer will be Azlan should pay 6,029 ringgit 57 cent on 5th installment to keep his payment up to date. So that's all for question 1. Thank you. N equals to 12 times 20 minus 200 and N will be 40. And then we will use the formula A equals to R to the bracket 1 minus to the bracket 1 plus K over M and power of negative N divide K over M. 1,192 ringgit and 92 cent times 1 minus to the bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 12 and power of negative 40 divide 0.065 over 12 and the answer will be 42,797 ringgit 73 cent. Thank you. That's all for the question 1.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Alia Izni binti Zulkifli and my student ID is 2023201902. I will be present on question 2 and question 5. Ahmad plans to take up a business and purchase a shop lot near his home. He saved RM10,000 in an account that pay 6% compounded every month. 4 years later, he withdrew all his money to pay for the down payment of the shop. The question wants us to find the value of the down payment. So to find the value of down payment, given the P is RM10,000, the K, which is the rate of the compounded, is 0.06, and the M is 3, which is compounded quarterly. 12 divide to 4, and we get the 3 for M, and the time is 4 years. So we can just use the formula of S equal to P bracket 1 plus K per M bracket power MT. So we can just substitute. The P is RM10,000 bracket 1 plus 0.06 per the M is 3 bracket power 3 multiplied to 4, and we got the answer is RM 12,682.42 cents. Question B is, the balance of the shop lot price was financed through another bank that charged an interest rate of 4.25% compounded monthly. The loan was to be paid by making RM 1,502 every month for the next 15 years. And then the question wants us to find the cash price of the shop lot. So to find the cash price of shop lot, first we need to use a formula of A equal to R bracket 1 minus 1 plus K per M divide to K per M bracket power negative MT. The reason why we use this formula is because the R was given, which is the amount of installment every month. So we can just proceed to use the A equal to R bracket 1 minus 1 plus K per M divide to K per M bracket power negative MT. So A equal to RM 1,502 bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.0425 per 12 divide to 0.0425 per 12 bracket power negative 12 multiplied to 50. And the answer is RM 199,660.12 cents. So to find the cash price lot, we need to use the formula of C equal to down payment plus A. It is because we already have the amount of down payment and the amount of A, which is the loan. So we can just substitute, which is C equal to RM 12,682.42 cents plus 199,660.12 cents, and the final answer is RM 212,342.54 cents.
My name is Raifa Natasha binti Zaman. I will be presented question 3. Sabrina invested RM 500 for 9 years and 9 months with an interest rate of 7% compounded every 4 months for the first 4 years and 8% compounded quarterly for the rest of the period. Find the accumulated amount of money in the account at the end of the investment period. To get the accumulated amount, which is S, we use this formula. S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K per M close the bracket powered by MT. S equal to RM 500 in bracket 1 plus 0.07 per 3 close the bracket powered by 4 multiplied by 3. S equal to RM 659.44 cents. To get a new S, the previous S becomes the new P. So S2 equal to S1 in bracket 1 plus K per M close the bracket powered by MT. S2, which is the new S, equal with RM 659.44 cents in bracket 1 plus 0.08 per 4 close the bracket powered by 4 in bracket 69 per 12 close the bracket. So the new S gonna be equal with RM 1039.87 cents. I will be presented question 4. 5 years ago, an amount Rm4,000 was deposited in a saving account that paid interest at 4% compounded monthly. Today, another 1,500 is deposited into the account. Find the accumulated amount at the end of 7 years from the initial deposit. To get the accumulated amount, which is S, we're going to use this formula, S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K per M, close the bracket powered by empty. S equal to Rm4,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.04 per 12, close the bracket powered by 12 multiplied by 5. S equal to 4,883.99 cents. We're going to use this formula again. S equal to, in bracket Rm 4,883.99 cents plus Rm 1,500, which is we deposit in today, close the bracket. In bracket 1 plus 0.04 per 12, close the bracket powered by 12 multiplied by 2. S equal to Rm 6,383.99 cents. In bracket 1 plus 0.04 per 12, close the bracket powered by 24. So S equal to Rm 6,914.77 cents.
RMX was deposited in an account at 4.3% interest compounded monthly. 50 months later, RM4,000 was withdrawn from the account and the balance was RM3,500. Find the value of. First, we can find the S because the amount of withdraw and the balance was given, so we can just plus the amount of withdraw and the balance, and we can get the amount of S. And then we can just proceed to use the formula of S equal to P bracket 1 plus K per M bracket power MT. The S is RM 7,500 equal to P, or just can use X bracket 1 plus 0.043 per 12 bracket power 12 multiplied to 50 over 12. And the final answer is RM 6,271.76.